TestLodge is an online test case management tool that integrates with Basecamp 3, allowing for to-dos to be automatically created whenever a test fails. Let's see how it all works.
Firstly, we need to grant TestLodge access to your Basecamp account. We can do this by selecting Issue Trackers from the side menu and choosing to create a new integration. Select Basecamp 3 from the drop-down and click the Authenticate link, which will send you over to Basecamp to provide access. As a final step, view the list of all Basecamp accounts that are associated with your user and select the one which should be used. From here, we need to associate a TestLodge project with one in Basecamp. This is where your issues will be created. To do this, edit a TestLodge project and select the Basecamp integration that you just set up. Choose the correct project ID from the list and save the changes. Now, if we go to create a new test run from an existing suite, whenever a test fails, TestLodge will automatically create a to-do in Basecamp, taking away the tedious task of manually creating them. Additionally, we can also set other Basecamp options such as the list to create the to-do in and assigned user directly from TestLodge. If you'd rather update an existing to-do, just associate it with the test and TestLodge will add a comment to this existing issue instead of creating a new one. Let's quickly jump over to Basecamp, where to-dos for the failed tests have been created, all of which contain the relevant and important information for a developer to replicate and fix the issue. Once all issues have been resolved, you'll want to verify any fixes. We've got some pretty cool features to help you with that too. You'll have the ability to request TestLodge to pull back the Basecamp to-do status of all failed tests within a test run. Not only that, but you can rerun tests based on the result in TestLodge, as well as the to-do status in Basecamp. This means we could create a rerun with all tests that failed which have completed to-dos in Basecamp. When executing the rerun, if a Basecamp issue has already been created for the test, TestLodge will update this, and you can even change the Basecamp to-do status directly from TestLodge.
So that's it for integrating with TestLodge. Sign up today and get a free 30-day trial, so head over to testlodge.com.